to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Let's start to say really quick, subscribe if you are not a subscriber and if you are a pizza lover. Yes, because here, this channel is for pizza lover. Pizza is a serious thing. Pizza is lifestyle. It's not just pizza. So I get mad when the people say it's just pizza. It's just pizza. No, pizza is a serious thing. Look at it. I have it right here on my arm because pizza is lifestyle, like I said before. There we go. I'm going to review one of the most famous, popular pizza oven for the pizza beginner. For pizza beginner. Yes. Unboxing and review video. Roccbox oven. I was waiting for this oven for a long time because everybody in my comments they say, can you review, unbox? Can you review this? Because I know a lot of people have a Roccbox oven. So today this is your video because or if you are thinking to buy Roccbox, this is the right video because today I'm going to show you what comes inside the box and I'm going to see how this little oven will cook the pizza for the first time. So I never cooked it before, I never opened up a Roccbox before, and today is the time. You'll find all the links below on the description. Let's go and let's open up. Let's open up this oven. Wow. Aha! They also give me a cover. This is actually really good because when it rains and you want to put it outside, you get the cover. So already a point extra for this oven. Well made. This is probably the gas. Yes, gas burner. I don't want. Woo! Wow, nice little peel. Nice, well made. I love it already, huh? Nice. Manual. Ah, look at this. To open the beer. Amazing. Amazing. And here you go. Whew. Very heavy. Outstanding. I mean, they give you this way. You can walk around and go. I'll see you soon, guys. Joking. I'm here. Let's open up the feet. I really love the design. This is, they give you this way you can bring it around. Well, you can bring this oven whatever you want. But it's nice and isolated. Small. Outstanding. Wait, let's open up the gas burner. I love it. Comes everything together. This is what comes inside the box. Nice. I love the. This is the cover for the oven itself. I'm gonna save this one actually for later because I'm not gonna use this. But maybe if we get like in this few days to 10,000 likes, maybe I'll bring this little oven somewhere very special in the world. So I'm waiting for you. Nice thumbs up. Enjoy. I'm gonna show you a little bit with some music on, and then I can't wait to test this oven. I'm gonna warm it up for about 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna put my pizza inside this beauty. So subscribe, share, and wait for it. very easy to install. I was surprised that the oven was so low. I even scraped my little marble here. But I was looking the instruction, that's why you need it. And then I discovered that this oven comes a little bit more higher, and then that's why we keep it all the way here. So I'm gonna put it a little bit higher because anyway, here we go. Now it's finally ready. It's amazing. It looks like an alien. Outstanding. Let me turn it on. I followed the instruction, and basically the oven is hot like hell because it went hot like in 20 minutes. We got to 700. We got like 400 Celsius, 700, 800 degrees basically. About the oven is about the max temperature. Never cooked. This is my first time cooking ever the pizza in this oven. Today I'm gonna make a different pizza. A pizza, tuna and cherry tomatoes. And of course I made my lovely dough. Take a look. This is special. Check out my other videos to make this lovely dough. So flour, and this one is a special one for myself. So dump the dough in the flour. In the flour a couple of times, and now let's go ahead and let's stretch. Oh man, the dough is spectacular. Boom, 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 and then let's start the magic. Woo! Take off the flour. The dough is really, really strong, and voila. Boom, boom. Let's put a little bit of 4 or 5 tomatoes, fresh cherry tomatoes, a little bit of olive oil on the base of the pizza. Now let's get the tomato, let's break it. This way we can go ahead and break the cherry tomatoes on the pizza. And there we go. Once you break the tomatoes on the pizza, the flavor, you'll notice that it's gonna be different. Voila. Voila. Now, little bit of Italian tuna. It's really good. Go. Just be careful when you open the can. Use a spoon if you this way, because there's a little danger with just the can. Let's clean up the counter. We don't want any things wet. Voila, boom, 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 boom. Let's put a little bit of fresh mozzarella, not too much, just a little bit. And boom, voila, guys. Pizza is ready. Now let's go ahead and put it in the oven. I lowered down the flame because we want to cook at the lowest temperature, because the oven is already in temperature. Now let's go ahead and let's put it on the peel. A little bit of flour. Voila. Let's make the sides of the peel. This is about 12 inches pizza. There we go, guys. The pizza is ready, lovely. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm not gonna edit the timing, so make sure take it out and make sure check out the timing. Siamo pronti, Francesco? Francesco is my friend. Vieni.
Hi guys.
Help me.
Yep,
This way you guys can see better. Vai, in the oven. Boom. Make sure, voila. Perfect. So now, wait.
Yep.
And then
Put the pizza here.
the flame is really low at the minimum, so you don't burn the pizza, because when you have a small oven like this, you have to lower down the flame, otherwise it's gonna burn. Vai. Vai Francesco, vai. Go Francesco, go. Go Francesco, prendila, prendila. Mettila qua sopra. You can help yourself to turn it, just like that. Voila, turn it and put it back in the same spot. Well, the spot is only one, so so that's where you go. So now that's you have to cook the pizza all in the same color. Occhio, Francesco.
Yep.
Francesco is my friend and my helper in all my videos now. Fantastic, eh? It's cooking
Very
fast.
nice dough. Very nice
Really
dough.
low. And the bottom, nice and crunchy, nice and crispy. The oven has been on for about, I want to say 25 minutes, no?
Yep.
Vai, the pizza is ready. Put it right here. Show the camera, 1 second right there. Vai, right there. Wow, take a look of the pizza. Perfection. Put it right here. I'm gonna show you right now. Wait, wait, wait. Take a look of the pizza. Outstanding. Francesco, mo, è venuto proprio un bijou di pizza.
Mamma mia, oh.
Go, let me get the camera right here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna show my friends right there. Take a look. Vai, vai, vai. Wow. Show the bottom, please, Francesco. Attenzione alla luce. There we go. Take a look, guys. Take a look. The pizza was cooked perfectly. Perfectly done. Wow. Outstanding. The oven is nice and hot. Perfect. Oh my god. Crispy, soft, in the same time. Guys, if you want to see how this dough is made, check out my videos. Tieni Francesco. Woo. Fantastic. Wow, I love tuna and cherry tomato, guys. It's the best. Outstanding. Sei pronto, Francesco?
Yep.
Vai. Lovely. Guys, thank you so much. Make sure to sign up, to subscribe, smash the like, it's free, and then I'll see you at the next one, guys. I'll see you at the next one. See you from Iacopelli. This one was the review from Roccbox. Really amazing goal. Yeah. Ciao a tutti amici.
Militar che ruminua la vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.